Hey sewing friends, it's Alice Murray again. This is day 11 of 365 days of sewing makes. A challenge I have challenged myself, and I appreciate so much you coming along on this journey. And I know I'm supposed to tell you, subscribe, like, share, tell your mother, do all those things. But I really appreciate you tuning in every day to see what it is that I have made. And if I can make it all 365 days, we will see. Today, I am showing you Kwik Sew 4215. Comes in a midi length or a maxi length. And maxi length has slits at the top and slits in the sleeves that are in the ankle, and they both have ruffles on the sleeves. It has a sewn in belt and a zipper down the back, which I did not put in. I've already told you about that. So this is my version. I love the color of it. It is very blue. And I remember hearing someone say, you should try to sew some things from solids, because solids can have a very dramatic look, can really kind of spice up your closet. So I made this out of a royal blue. It is a polyester crepe. This pattern is for wovens, and so it has like no stretch to it. It has the princess seams and an empire waistline, which I think is flattering, and the tie in the back. And I'll tell you the story of this garment, because every garment has a story. I made this garment, this dress, specifically for my granddaughter's baptism, which was a very special day for me. And so when I wear this dress, I just remember that beautiful day. So that is day 11. Kwik Sew 4215. I would say this pattern is a winner. Very, very user friendly, very beginner friendly. And I just want to share with you my grateful thread for today, and that is I am very grateful for technology, which is a funny thing coming out of my mouth, because I find technology very difficult. But because of technology, I can talk to you and show you these different garments. And because of technology, I also get to see my granddaughter, even though we are currently living in a time where travel is difficult and she lives very far away from me. I can see her and my other little grandsons through technology and still be part of their life, even though we can't be together right now. So I am very grateful for that. So I'd love to hear in the comment section what you are grateful for. And I hope you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. See you again soon. Bye for now.